Sometimes, even though you are speaking, BuddyBooks can't hear you. It's usually a problem with the microphone settings. Let's fix your microphone settings together.
Good. I want BuddyBooks to hear me read.
The very first time you log in, Chrome will ask if BuddyBooks can use your microphone.
I just click Allow while visiting the site, right?
Exactly. That way BuddyBooks can hear you right away.
Uh-oh, now it says Enable Mic.
That just means permissions weren't turned on. This is easy to fix.
Even after I log in, the same message keeps popping up.
Right. Until we switch the microphone setting back on, it will keep reminding you. Do you see this site information icon next to the website address? Click it.
Oh, I see. Microphone off.
Yes, just switch it to on.
Now BuddyBooks can hear me read.
And it will read back to you. Problem solved.
Time to start reading.
That's it. You're ready to get the most out of BuddyBooks.